Well, we found in the logistics space, particularly in South Africa, that it is such a fast growth industry. And what has happened as a result of that is that a lot of the businesses are running on very basic systems or solutions. And we've got some really big businesses that actually have run the entire business off Excel because of the growth aspect of their business. So they're running both their finance and payroll system off Excel spreadsheets. Now, as customizable and configurable as Excel is, and accountants love Excel, I promise you there's better systems out there that can help you run your business better. What we're also finding is a lot of logistics business, they invest in the operational systems. So particularly around where their fleet is, how far away they are from the destination, or trying to improve the customer interaction. So allowing them to have portals to see where their order is and when it's going to arrive, or just from a cost effectiveness perspective, making sure that they're managing routes. What we're not seeing, and this is where we think the opportunity for Sage Interact is huge, is how that all comes together from a financial perspective. So how profitable are the routes that are coming through and being asked for in the logistics? Are we optimizing those routes in terms of different areas? Should we not have a warehouse in that area to help from a logistics perspective, because that's where the high demand was. So what we're not seeing is businesses using effective systems to look holistically at the business. And there's pockets of investments and things that they think are important so they can continue with the growth strategy they got. But they're definitely not keeping up to date with a lot of the back office systems, the finance payroll systems, and also what they're not doing is looking at it holistically to help their business go to the next stage. And they're getting to a stage where they're actually breaking. They can't keep up with the demand. They can't keep up with the invoices that need to go out. They can't keep up with the cash collection or anything else in terms of their business because they don't have the right systems in the background.